Hi everyone, in this video I will show you missing the Instagram repost button. Here's how to get it. So in case that you can see or you can find the new feature here on Instagram, which is the repost option. If I tap this one right here, then I can see all the reposted reels, pictures, and posts. So in order for you to see that missing Instagram repost button, first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram. If you're using Android, go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And if you see the update button right here, you have to tap on the update button and go back to your Instagram and see if this method works. If not, then go to your Instagram application, long press, tap on app info, and then here you have to scroll down and look for storage usage. Now here you have to locate clear cache, and all you have to do is tap on clear cache. Go back to Instagram and see if this method works. If not, the third thing you should do here is to uninstall Instagram application. You can just basically long press Instagram and you will see the uninstall button. All you have to do is tap on uninstall right here. Tap OK. Go back to your Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram. And then if you see install button, you have to tap on install, reinstall the Instagram again, and see if this method works. If not, also you have to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. You can swipe down and then you can change from Wi-Fi to data connection to Wi-Fi. Lastly, if this method didn't work, then what you're going to do is you have to contact to their customer service support. You can go to any web browser and then type Instagram customer support or help center. Here you can search for repost button and see any article that can help you fix the problem. So basically these are the ways for missing the Instagram repost button, and here's to get it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.